I just bought this brand new Samsung French door refrigerator, and within a day or two, I started hearing this clicking noise. Samsung French door refrigerator. You hear that noise? Well, I've identified it. Right down here. There's your compressor. You see that copper? It's vibrating. And if I put my finger on that foam pad right here, it stops. I can feel the vibration through my finger. So I think I'm going to try to add something to that foam pad to dampen that sound. So I'm going to go ahead and mark with a dry erase marker which hole I want to cover. Right here. Here. So this one's going to need that space around the inside. Alright. I know I didn't, but unplug your refrigerator at this point and then unscrew that back plate. Okay, thanks. I put the plate back. You can see the pad is over the foam that was insulating. Well, it's supposed to insulate that sound, damper that sound. I can feel the vibration now. It's going through the pad. Okay, now I'm going to place it back. We'll see what happens. There you go. It's not making noise anymore. Hope that helped.
If you found this video useful, then like it. Maybe subscribe to me because I'm going to put out more useful videos too. Alright, bye.
Meow.